Hello all, and welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving deep into the world of professional development with free courses from Google that come with certifications to boost your resume. Whether you're looking to upskill, switch careers, or just add some serious weight to your LinkedIn profile, Google's got your back. These courses are designed by industry experts and cover a wide range of in-demand fields. We're talking digital marketing, data analytics, project management, you name it, they probably have a course for it. So, if you're ready to unlock your potential and take your career to the next level, stick around because in this video, we're breaking down the top 5 free Google courses with certifications that you should definitely check out. First up, we've got the Google Ads Search Certification, a game changer for anyone interested in digital marketing. This certification dives deep into the intricacies of Google Ads, teaching you how to create ads, target the right audience, and measure their effectiveness. It's all about getting your message in front of the right people at the right time. You'll master crafting compelling ad copy, bidding strategies, and keyword research. This certification equips you with the knowledge to plan, execute, and analyze digital marketing campaigns like a pro. You'll also develop a comprehensive digital strategy aligned with your business goals. So, if you're looking to break into digital marketing or level up your skills, the Google Ads Search certification is a must-have. It's a clear signal to potential employers that you know your stuff when it comes to paid advertising. Next, let's talk data, because in any business, data is king. The Google Analytics certification is all about harnessing the power of data to make informed decisions. Google Analytics is the ultimate toolkit for understanding your website traffic, user behavior, and overall marketing performance. With this certification, you'll analyze traffic patterns, track conversions, and identify opportunities for improvement. You'll learn to set up goals, track events, and segment your audience for deeper insights. It's about using data to make informed decisions that drive results. This certification is your ticket to becoming a data-driven decision maker, a highly sought-after skill in today's data-rich world. Whether you're a marketer, business owner, or just someone who wants to understand the power of data, this certification is a game changer. If you're new to Google Analytics, don't worry, Google's got you covered. The Get Started Using Google Analytics course is perfect for beginners. This course breaks down the fundamentals of Google Analytics in an easy-to-understand way. You'll learn to set up your account, navigate the interface, and start collecting data. It covers essential reports like audience overview, acquisition, behavior, and conversions. By the end, you'll track key metrics, understand user behavior, and identify areas for improvement. It's the perfect foundation for anyone who wants to dive deeper into data analytics. Let's talk programmatic advertising, the automation powerhouse of digital marketing. Google's Campaign Manager 360 is the ultimate command center. The Campaign Manager 360 certification exam is for serious marketers who want to master this tool. You'll manage large-scale campaigns, automate ad delivery, and optimize performance across channels. Dive into concepts like floodlight activities, conversion tracking, and audience segmentation. Passing this exam demonstrates your expertise in using Campaign Manager 360 to its fullest potential. It's a badge of honor in programmatic advertising and a testament to your ability to manage complex campaigns. If you're serious about programmatic advertising, this certification is the challenge you've been waiting for. We've talked about powerful tools and certifications, but let's circle back to the Google Analytics certification because it's just that important. In a data-driven world, the ability to collect, analyze, and interpret web data is paramount. The Google Analytics certification equips you with the skills to do just that. It's about understanding the why behind the numbers. By becoming certified, you're showcasing your ability to think critically, solve problems, and make data-driven decisions. These are highly valuable skills in any industry. Whether you're starting your career or you're a seasoned professional, the Google Analytics certification is an investment in your future. So there you have it, folks. The top 5 free Google courses with certifications that can unlock your potential and propel your career forward. These courses offer incredible value, and the best part is they're completely free. If you're serious about taking your skills to the next level, I highly recommend checking out these courses. The knowledge and credentials you gain can open doors to new opportunities and set you apart in a competitive job market. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, share, comment, and hit that subscribe button for more career-boosting tips and tech reviews. Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep pushing the boundaries of what's possible.